Hello, this is Peggy Healy Stearns, lead designer for Fab Maker Studio. Today's FabMaker quick tips are on the Arrange tool, found in the Properties panel in the upper right. To open the panel, select the Properties tab at the top of the color palette. The Arrange tool is here. Arrange lets you layer objects. For example, add 3 stars in different sizes. Now stack the smaller star on top. It disappears. That's because when objects are placed in the FabMaker edit screen, the first item placed is automatically on the bottom layer, the next item on top of that, and so on. This is when we need our Arrange tool. Arrange lets us select an object and bring it forward, send it backward, send to top, or send to bottom. The light blue layer represents the selected object, in this case, the smaller star hidden in the back. Select Bring Forward to move it up 1 layer. If you drag the big star over, it covers everything. Select Send to Bottom. You can move more than one object at a time. For example, go back and drag the 2 smaller stars to the big star. Both disappear. They're still selected, so go to Arrange and choose Send to Top. So, Arrange tips. Select the object you want to move. Choose the Arrange tool and the direction you want to move the object. When creating designs, remember items placed first are automatically on the bottom layer. Play around and remember these tips when you design your next project. Have fun!